Hello, my name is Megan. I'm one of the instructional assistants assisting in the FSW Math Center. Today, I want to go over how you can schedule a tutoring appointment. As you can see from the URL up here, I'm currently on the website fsw.edu/academic support. Once you get to this site, you'll want to scroll all the way down. Now over here, you'll see a link to a PDF, which will give you a detailed explanation of what I'm about to demonstrate. But essentially, what you'll want to do is click this button here to schedule an appointment. Once you click that button, you're going to want to access your TutorTrack account, and you would sign in the same way you would sign in the portal. The first thing you'd want to do here is go to this button, Search Availability, and click that. Once you do so, you'll want to choose the Remote Appointment Center. Now, the consultant you can leave blank, but if you have a specific tutor in mind that you want, you'll want to choose it here. Otherwise, we'll move on to section. Let's say I want tutoring help in mathematics for college success. I would choose that, and perhaps I needed some help with math. So you'll want to put a specific reason there. This bar shows dates, a range of dates of availability. I have a pretty open schedule, so I'm going to leave it that span of time. Though I could further narrow it by hour by limiting this in some way. So perhaps I'm only available from 10 to 3. At this point, I will click search. Now, at this point, what it shows us is all the times that we are presently available to get a tutoring appointment. I see that I can have tutoring on Monday or Tuesday based on the criteria that I created. So I'm going to schedule an appointment at 12, for example, Monday. Once you click that time, you'll need to fill out the reason if you have not already done so. And you can also optionally add a note here. I'd recommend adding a note, something specific to your struggles, so that way your tutor's better able to accommodate your time together. So let's say I need help factoring. Once we've made that reason, we'll want to save it. Now, once we saved our appointment, we can go back to our main menu, and you should see that your appointment is located right over here. You should also receive an email confirmation telling you about your appointment. But if you ever change your mind, you maybe perhaps need to rearrange when your appointment happens. You can click this X button here and it will cancel your appointment. And it will cancel like that. So you can schedule tutoring appointments all these different times, as you can see here, at all these different dates. Essentially, this is just one way that we can, at Academic Support, help you. We also have available drop-in tutoring for math and writing if you need something in those classes as well. Feel free to visit the website and see all the services we provide. Thank you.